What's up, crafters? Today I'm going to show you how to make this pride flag, and in this video I made the transgender flag, but you can do whichever flag you want. And yeah, and you might recognize this from our TikTok that we posted today. So yeah, let's get started. To make an LGBTQ pride flag, you're going to need whichever colors of your flag you have. So I'm using light blue, white, and pink, a crochet hook, and I use a 3.5 millimeter one, and scissors. To start, you're going to take one color of your yarn, whichever color is on the top or bottom, and you're going to make a slip knot and chain 22. So I'll show you how to do that. You're going to wrap it around your fingers like you're going to make a magic ring, and then turn it over, then go under the first one and grab this second piece, and then just pull it all the way through. And then you can pull on both the ends to tighten it. And then to chain them, you're just going to yarn over and pull the loop through. So you chain on 22. So 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So now if you count all these chains, there will be 23, including the one on your hook and this slip knot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So now what you're going to do is you're going to turn this around. So you're going to turn your chain around this way, yarn over, and you're going to see, hold on one second. Okay, it wasn't focusing properly, but you're going to see there are these two chains here. So you're going to yarn over and skip this first one, and then go through the second chain. So there are two chains here. You're just going to skip the first one and go through the second one. Now you're just going to yarn over and pull through just that chain, yarn over again, and then pull through everything. And that's a half double crochet. So you're going to do a half double crochet in all of these, including this slip knot here. So in the next one, you don't need to skip any more, at least for this this first part of the stripe, but you're going to go through the next one. Yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over and pull through everything. And yeah. So just do half double crochet for the whole thing. And I'll come back to you as soon as you're finished, and I'll come back to show you what to do next as soon as you're finished with this. Okay, so now I'm on the slip knot. This isn't focusing. Okay, I fixed it. But now you're gonna want to make, it depends on how thick you want your stripes to be. So if you want them to be pretty short, then you can just leave it here and skip to when I'm doing the color change. But I'll show you how to make I'm going to show you how to make the stripe thicker. So if you count all your stitches, including the one on your hook, you're going to have 22. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So now what you're going to do is chain 2, and you're going to see how there are 2 chains here. Instead of just skipping 1 like what we did on the first round for the first stripe, you're going to skip 2. So skip these 2 here, and then just do half double crochet into the next one. And you're just going to once again do half double crochet through all of them. And anytime you're going to make your stripes thicker, then that's what you're going to do. Just chain 2 and then skip 2 and just do half double crochet for the whole way around. Okay. So now once again, you're just going to chain 2, and then see these 2 chains here. You're going to skip both of them and do half double crochet for the rest of it, for like this, for in all these stitches. And as soon as I'm finished with that, I'll come back and show you how to do a color change. Okay, and I'm on my last stitch. So you can, of course, make your stripes thicker or whatever you want, but right now I just did 3 rows of half double crochet, and that's just how I think I want it. So now we're going to do a color change. So now I'm going to show you how to do a color change. So grab your next color and make a slip knot with that. And just put it on your hook here and pull it through, and that'll be your first chain. And then just chain 1 again, and you can cut this, you can cut your other color off, and I like to knot it so that it doesn't come loose. Okay, and I'm just going to continue. So just skip these 2 chains and do half double crochet for the rest of them. So it's the exact same thing, except but we did a color change, and now it's a different color. So just carry on doing that for however thick you want for however thick you want your stripe to be. So I'll finish up this round and then I'll come back. There was a strand of hair in my yarn, sorry. Okay, so this is my last one, my last stitch to go through. Now I'm just gonna chain 2, and then skip these 2 here, and keep going. So I don't want to show you the rest of the stripe because that'd be pretty boring, but you can just go ahead and finish this stripe for however thick you want it to be. Okay, so I'll just show you one more time how to do the color change. And then you'll be on your own, and you can do the rest of the flag. Sorry about that, but you're gonna make a slip knot. Gonna make a slip knot and put it on your hook and tighten it, and then pull it through, and that's your first chain. So chain another one, and you can cut off the yarn in your old color and knot it for extra security. And then you can just skip these 2 chains and just do half double crochet in all of these stitches. And you're just gonna repeat this chain 2 half double crochet thing with the color changes until your flag is finished. It's how long you want it to be, and it's the right colors. Okay, so this is the last few half double crochets I have to do to finish this up. Okay, now this is my last one. So after you finish your last half double crochet, then you'll need a way to fasten up. So just chain 1, cut the yarn, and pull it through. And since it's already in a slip knot, you don't need to knot it again. After you fasten off, you'll notice that there are a lot of loose ends. So you can tuck them in using your crochet hook. If you go through some of the stitches, you can hide some of these loose ends with your crochet hook, with your hook. or you can use a needle, which is much easier. So just thread the needle and put it through where you're gonna hide it. Okay. And then just push the needle through. And the reason I didn't say that you needed a needle in the beginning was because you can always use it. You can always tuck it in using your hook, like what I showed you. Okay, and I'm going to tuck in the rest of these ends, and I'll come back to show you the finished flag. So I finished tucking in the ends, and this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like from the back. It's pretty messy, but it looks a lot better since it's tucked in. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed and are happy with the result. Bye, see you next time.